Hi there, what I have today is an Eva Fortress lock, and I have made a homemade pre-lift key. It's a bit rough, but I just wanted it to try it out because I don't have a pre-lift, and I've had to use this wire. Again, I know it's rough, but the wire's thin enough to go in with the key. And Andymax tools have normally got a curvature in, which this one did have, but I've bent it back out, as when it had the curvature in, it was getting stuck in the keyway because it was pushing away from this. So hopefully I can pick this for you and we'll take a look inside. I've been using this to tension round, which I'll show you in a second. Take it round and it does lift. So this little tension wrench, I use it as a ledge so it doesn't go over or fall off. So we'll try and pick this now. As I say, Andymax tools are a lot better, but this one, the wire was thin enough to get it in. Reset. I know I'm a little bit quiet, but that's because I'm trying to concentrate on where I'm picking. And there we have it. It does get stuck, so you have to take it back out just a little bit. But as you can see, it is picked. There. So we'll take a look inside once I've locked it back up. There's another little look at the pre-lift. As I said, it is a bit rough, but it does the job. Now we'll take a look to see what's inside. This is my first lock that I've picked that has the levers resting on the curtain, and as you can see, all the levers are there. That one is, sorry about that, a number 6, and it has got a false gate at the bottom. A number 3, again false gate at the bottom. That's a 4, and it does have these stamped in so you don't need the wafers between. A 4 again, and finally another 4, it looks like. Yep, another 4. So there you have it, an Eva Fortress lock, picked and gutted. Thanks for watching, bye for now.